crunch with the buttery insides, creaminess, they're really good. Fantastic, and I'm glad I soaked them in milk, and I'm glad I added a little extra flavor to them, but everything is fantastic. Hey everybody, how are you today? So we're gonna do something really special today, mollejas. So those of you that don't know what that is, it's sweetbreads, okay? It's a thymus gland. When I was in the restaurant, I did these all the time, and we would soak them in milk, traditionally, and then we would blanch them, we would press them, and then we'd sear them off. But I'm gonna do them in the true Argentinian style, which is grilled with charred lemon with a little chimichurri. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna soak these in milk overnight, then we're gonna pat them dry, we're gonna clean them off. The only thing I've done is I've cleaned them up just a little bit. So what we got here is I got some Vidalia sweet onion, a couple cloves of garlic, some sprigs of thyme, some bay leaf, some peppercorns. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the sweetbreads, and we're gonna cover them in whole milk. Now I use whole milk because we want the lactose in here. The lactose is it's gonna do two things, the milk. So the milk is gonna dry out any impurities. Okay, so we've been soaking our leeks. Want to just make sure any sand that's on there drops to the bottom. That's why you want to pull them out of the water. Okay, so we're gonna put the leeks in here with the mixture. Again, we're not dumping the water over the leeks into here, and we're just gonna let that get coated as well. And now what we're gonna do is cover this with a little bit of saran wrap. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator until tomorrow. Then we're gonna pull them out, we're gonna dry them off, and then we're gonna air dry them overnight. We're gonna put them on a rack, make sure they're nice and dry, because when they hit that grill, you really want any of that exterior moisture to be off of it. But we'll continue that tomorrow. So here we go. What started 2 days ago, now we're gonna enjoy. So you saw how I broke them down. You saw how I marinated them. We had them on the grill all day, nice low and slow. I say low and slow, but it was raised just enough that we got some char on them. If you look in here, we got some nice crispiness. So we got the charred lemon. We're gonna hit it with a little charred lemon, and then we're gonna come in here and we're gonna try it. It is so good. It's so rich and creamy. I think I'm gonna get a little chimichurri too. I think a little chimichurri on this with the lemon. They are just so good. I've never had them this way before. I'm a chef for 20 years. I cooked them a lot of different ways in the restaurants. And it's the first time I've done them on the live fire. But the crunch with the buttery insides, the creaminess, they're really good. Fantastic, and I'm glad I soaked them in milk, and I'm glad I added a little extra flavor to them, but everything is fantastic.